If you're a tech fan chasing the perfect smartwatch, you need to see what the OnePlus Watch 4 brings to the table. It's slimmed down, glowed up, and still sips battery like a pro. So, is the OnePlus Watch 4 actually worth your money? Here's the scoop. If you're rocking the original OnePlus watch or a budget wearable, this is a solid upgrade. Premium titanium build. Now 6% thinner and lighter. Think sports watch but luxury edition. The new 1.5-inch LTPO OLED display blasts out 3000 nits. Translation. You'll see your stats under the summer sun, no problem. And it still crushes battery life, up to 5 days in smart mode, 16 in power saver. Inside, the hardware mostly matches the Watch 3. Snapdragon W5, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, plus Wear OS 6 with Oxygen Watch 8. It's smooth, but not a giant leap forward. Pros: unbeatable battery, that titanium finish, and a screen so bright it'll make your phone jealous. Cons: no eSIM, and not much new if you already have the Watch 3. Verdict: if you want the best battery on Wear OS and a serious style upgrade, go for it. Otherwise, it's a luxury refresh, not a revolution.